Open your OBS studio and add here your video and audio sources. Now go to settings, select stream, click on the service drop down, select Twitch, click on connect account, and all you have to need, log into your Twitch account from OBS and your Twitch will be added here. Now click on apply, okay. And once you successfully added your Twitch in your OBS, in this left-hand menu, here you will find stream information section. Under stream information, here you will find your stream title. Now from here you can go ahead and change your stream title. You can also change your notification description and click on done, and that's it. You have successfully changed your stream title in OBS.